Three, two, one.
Dear child, I see your tears. I hear the silent prayers you whisper at night, asking me to restore peace to your family. You wonder if healing is even possible. Today, I want you to know, nothing is impossible for me. The struggles you face in your home are not hidden from my sight. I am here to guide you, to heal what's broken, and to bring my peace into your family. Stay with me as I speak to your heart and show you how I can fix what seems beyond repair. I am the foundation of love. Your family was created out of my love. Every bond, every relationship within your home is rooted in the love I've poured into your lives. But when love is overshadowed by misunderstandings, anger, or distance, remember this: we love because He first loved us. 1 John 4:19. The first step to restoring your family is to return to me, the source of love. Allow my love to flow through you. When you open your heart to my love, you will begin to see your family through my eyes, with compassion, patience, and forgiveness. Forgiveness unlocks healing. I know forgiveness can be difficult, especially when the pain runs deep. But hear this: forgiveness is not about excusing the wrong, it's about setting your heart free. Colossians 3:13 reminds you, bear with each other and forgive one another if any of you has a grievance against someone. Forgive as the Lord forgave you. Forgiveness doesn't mean the hurt never happened. It means you trust me to handle the justice and healing. When you forgive, you invite my grace to work in your family. Healing begins when hearts are softened, and forgiveness is the key that unlocks that door. Let me be your guide in communication. The words spoken in your home can build bridges or create walls. James 1:19 teaches, everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. Let me guide your conversations. Before you speak, pause and ask me to fill your heart with wisdom and grace. Speak with kindness, even when it's difficult. Listen with empathy, even when you feel unheard. I will teach you how to communicate in a way that draws your family closer rather than pushing them apart. Pray for your family. Daily prayer is the most powerful tool you have to bring change into your home. When you pray, you invite me into your situation. Philippians 4:6 says, do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. Pray for each member of your family by name. Pray for their hearts, their struggles, and their relationship with me. Even if you don't see immediate change, trust that I am working behind the scenes. Your prayers are seeds, and in my perfect timing, they will bear fruit. Peace begins with you. It's easy to focus on what others need to change, but I ask you to start with your own heart. Matthew 7:3-5 says, why do you look at the speck of sawdust in your brother's eye and pay no attention to the plank in your own eye? Ask me to reveal areas in your life where you need growth. As you become more like me, more patient, loving, and forgiving, your family will begin to feel the difference. Peace starts with you. Let your actions reflect my love and watch how it transforms the atmosphere in your home. I am the restorer of broken relationships. No relationship is too broken for me to heal. I specialize in restoring what seems beyond repair. Ezekiel 37:5 says, this is what the sovereign Lord says to these bones. I will make breath enter you, and you will come to life. If I can bring dry bones back to life, I can breathe new life into your family. Trust me to work in the hearts of your loved ones, Trust me to mend what has been torn. My power is greater than any conflict, and my love is stronger than any division. Be patient with my timing. I know you want immediate change, but my timing is perfect. Ecclesiastes 3:1 reminds you, there is a time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens. The healing of your family may take time, but don't lose hope. Trust that I am working even when you can't see it. Be patient and remain faithful in prayer and love. I will fulfill my promise to bring peace and restoration to your home. Your family is a light to others. Your family is not only important to you, but also to my kingdom. When your home is filled with my peace, it becomes a testimony to others. Matthew 5:16 says, "Let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven." As I heal your family, others will see my power at work. Your testimony will inspire hope in those who are struggling. Your family will be a light that points others to me. I will teach you to lead with love. In your family, I have given you the ability to be an example of my love. Leadership in a home doesn't always mean authority, it means servanthood. Just as I washed my disciples' feet, I call you to serve your family with humility and grace. John 13:14-15 says, "Now that I, your Lord and teacher, have washed your feet, you also should wash one another's feet. I have set you an example that you should do as I have done for you. Let love guide your actions, and let humility define your leadership. Through this, your family will not only find peace within, but also reflect my light outwardly to the world." Your family's prayers have power. When your family comes together to pray, heaven moves on your behalf. Matthew 18:19-20 reminds you, "If two of you agree on earth about anything they ask, it will be done for them by my Father in heaven. For where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there am I among them." Never underestimate the power of praying as a family. Even the smallest prayers, spoken with faith, reach my ears and activate my promises. Through united prayer, I will draw you closer to me and to each other. Your family will experience my peace, power, and provision. Your home can be a place of refuge. I desire your home to be a safe haven, a place of peace, comfort, and love. Psalm 91:1 says, "Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty." Invite me into every room of your home. Let my presence fill your conversations, your decisions, and even your moments of silence. A home filled with my spirit becomes a place where burdens are lifted and hearts are restored. As you create a refuge of peace in your home, it will overflow into the lives of those around you, becoming a testimony of my goodness. I am restoring what was lost. I know the pain of broken moments, of relationships that feel shattered beyond repair. But let me remind you of my promise in Joel 2:25. I will restore to you the years that the locust has eaten. What you think is gone forever, I can bring back in ways more beautiful than you can imagine. The trust, the love, the joy, none of it is beyond my reach. I am the God of restoration, and I am working to rebuild your family, piece by piece. Trust my timing and my process, for I am making all things new in your home. Beloved, your family is more than a group of individuals. It is a reflection of my love and purpose. Through unity, prayer, and love, I will transform your home into a beacon of hope for others. Trust me to guide every step of the journey. If this message has touched your heart, Share it with someone who needs encouragement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and return for more reminders of my love and promises. Remember, I am with you always, shaping your family into a light for the world to see.